YouTube channel income. Video number 9. How to guest blog on YouTube and get more channel views. One way to grow your YouTube channel's audience is to exchange guest blogs with other bloggers in your niche. We're going to look exactly why that is and how you can get guest blogging to grow your YouTube channel. What is guest blogging on YouTube? The basic idea is that you provide content for another YouTube channel, possibly in exchange for a guest blog from your partner for your own channel. There are many ways to achieve this. You can collaborate on a single video idea together, make separate videos for each other to upload to your own channels, and more. Growing your YouTube channel with guest blogs. Much like YouTube collaborations, guest blogging can potentially increase your channel's reach if done correctly. The most obvious way that this occurs is by sharing each other's audience. How do you guest blog on YouTube? The most straightforward method for guest blogging is to create your own video, just as if you were creating it for your channel, and send the video to another YouTube blogger to be published on their channel. Your collaborating partner will also do the same. We'll cover a few important key points for success when making a guest blog. Number 1. Collaborating with the right partner. Your guest blogging partner's viewership should be similar to your own. Perhaps you don't want to target your own niche, but you can find another YouTube blogger who targets a related sub-niche. Number 3. Creating content that is relevant to viewers. On that note, it's important that your content is relevant to the viewers. Specifically, find a way to relate your channel to their interests and decide on how it will connect to the typical focus of the host channel. Number 4. Add branding to your guest blog. Be sure to add branding to your guest blogs. Put your channel name and social media handles in your video intro or as in-video graphics in the guest blog by mentioning where viewers can best keep up with your content and updates. Keep it short and avoid too much self-promotion. Number 5. Make the guest blog engaging for YouTube viewers. If you create engaging content that encourages conversation and interaction, there's a good chance you'll have more guest blogging opportunities in the future. Number 6. Avoid a sole focus on self-promotion. Focus on creating a high-quality video that viewers will enjoy and that will encourage them to visit your channel naturally to see more great content. Number 7. Don't let guest blogs disrupt your schedule. Keep your own schedule consistent to keep your YouTube channel growing, but add in the guest blog as an additional content on your channel. Number 8. Build buzz with your viewers beforehand. Finally, it's important for both partners to let their audience know about the guest blog content beforehand and to encourage them to support and share the guest blogs they watch. As you can see, guest blogging can be a really cool way to grow your YouTube channel. If done right, it can help both collaborating bloggers grow their YouTube channels. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.